Welcome to headquarters of Nanosurf here in Lichtenstein, Switzerland. Today we would like to show you our brand new high-end AFM. This is our new DriveAFM. We have developed that over the last 4 years with a large team of engineers. Since summer, we're doing measurements. And now let's ask Christian Bippes, the product manager, what makes this product really interesting.
So this instrument indeed has a number of very unique and very special features. And I just want to mention a few of them that I personally like the most. First of all, there is the full motorization of this instrument. That means there's no knob that we have to touch at all. Everything is motorized. The laser detection system is motorized. The adjustment of the photodetector is motorized. Approach is motorized. The stage is fully motorized. Everything can be remotely controlled from the computer. You don't have to open the enclosure anymore. Another feature that I like very much is the photothermal excitation. We call it clean drive. The clean drive allows you to very stably drive the AFM cantilever in any condition, in air, in liquid. It allows you to drive at very high frequencies. It allows you to drive in liquid without the risk of having a wrong frequency that you excite. You get a very nice resonance peak when you do a frequency sweep. In contrast to the conventional piezo excitation, where you just get a forest of peaks and don't really know where to excite your cantilever. Last but not least, the system features a 100 micrometer XY scanner and 20 micrometer Z scanner. In combination with our very high resolution and very low noise CX controller, we can use this system to image at a very high resolution single molecules or DNA strands in liquid environment thanks to the clean drive. So overall, this is quite an effort that we did, and I think it paid off.
The DriveAFM is now available. Please check out our website or reach out to us for a demo. And stay tuned, there will be more to come.
For more information, contact SRC at info@spectraresearch.com or on 190-589-0555.